What's going on, gentlemen? We're back today, and we got a double header today. I figured I'd handle both of these at the same time. Both of these are part of my 10 fragrance giveaway I will be doing here shortly, or just as soon as I hit 5K. We're giving away 10 fragrances, and these are part of those two. So this is Maison Alhambra Victorioso. This is Invictus style DNA, like a woody aquatic fragrance. This is a really good one for the summer, and we got that going on right now as we just passed the first day of summer. And this one, this is a woody aromatic fragrance. Both of these are really good, and both of these are like an Invictus. Two different Invictuses, two different DNAs. They're nothing similar. So as you can see by the bottle, this is a dark ambery kind of scent. You know, something you want to wear more towards either the fall or the summer nights on a date. This is a good date night one. I do consider this one a little bit more mature. So maybe in your 30s, 35, 40 type range. It is a really good one. If you're younger and you like those mature, sexy style scents, this is definitely a good one for you. Also, this one, this is like an Invictus. It kind of reminds me like of a Hawas Ice. You know, all these aquatic woody ones that they're making nowadays, just that classic DNA that you can't go wrong with for the summer. So we're gonna go over this one a little bit. This one has top notes of marine notes, bergamot, and middle notes of bay leaf and jasmine. Base notes are ambergris, oak moss, wood, and patchouli. And this one does get compared to an Invictus a lot. So you know it's a tried and tested DNA, and it's been kind of put into so many perfumes. Everybody kind of puts their own little twist on it. But this is very close to an Invictus. I think it's like the Invictus Platinum or something like that. And then we got the Victorioso Nero. So after doing a little bit of research, I've seen it online on Fragrantica, and I believe they have changed this one to Victorioso Victory, or they might have changed it from that to this, or this one to that. I don't know which one they did, but I know on Fragrantica, I did look it up, and this bottle comes out with the name Victory. So I don't know if it's been changed to this one or vice versa, what happened there. But this is like an Invictus Victory DNA. It's like a more woody, aromatic fragrance. This one has top notes of Sicilian lemon and pink pepper, middle notes of olibanum and lavender, base notes are tonka bean and amber. So this is definitely a good one for date night, or just for the cooler nights like a fall, spring, you know, when it's not so hot out there. Like I said, this one does remind me more of a mature style fragrance, but even though it is a more mature scent, doesn't mean anybody can't wear it. If you guys like that style, you're a little bit younger, feel free to check this out, guys. This is definitely a good one. It's a sexy, woody, ambery fragrance. I recommend it. It is a little more mature, like I said. Personally, to me, in my opinion, somebody like me, my age, I'm around 40 right now. I know. So it is what it is, but it is a good fragrance. Yeah, that is good, guys. I sprayed it on paper right in the intermission real quick, and then this is that woody aquatic one. So both these are really good. I don't know if you guys have ever smelled anything else by Maison Alhambra, like this one or whatever else they got. I might have another one in here somewhere, but these two we're talking about today are really good ones. They do have another one that's a darker blue, but I think when I smelt both of them, I did appreciate this one a little bit more because this one's a little bit sweeter than the other one. The other one's just more of a like a regular Invictus, you know, like there's a few of them, and there's one that's not so sweet. So this one reminds me of that sweeter Invictus Platinum, I believe it is. Gosh, guys, that is so good. Uh, both of these you can't go wrong. I think both of these are right around like 30, 40 bucks or something like that. So you can't go wrong. And if you guys have had anything by Maison Alhambra, you know they put out bangers. So once again, if you guys need some, especially for now for the summer, I recommend this one. If you like that mature, more woody, ambery fragrance for like date night or whatever, you can pick this one up too. And they also do have another blue one that's like a darker blue bottle of this, very similar. That's a good one too if you like that other style of DNA. It's a very similar one, but a little bit different. This one is on the sweeter side. So that's it, guys. These are my Maison Alhambra Victorioso reviews. They're great. Both of these, I'd rate them right around a 5 or 6, which is not bad. That is not a bad rating by any means. They're really good. Both of these, Victorioso, Nero, and this one I might have to rate it a little higher because it has that DNA that I like for the summer, that woody, aquatic, bubblegum, that sweet DNA. I like that for me personally. So this one might be about a 6 or 7. Longevity is about 4 hours on this one or so. But apply heavy, guys. That's what I do. I apply heavy all the time, regardless. So Victorioso Nero, maybe Victory, and Victorioso by Mason and Alhambra, guys. Y'all be sure to check them out. Just a dad helping dad smell better.